Next we are discussing what is definite integration. So definite integration of fx between limit x equal to a and x equal to b gives algebraic area. What is the meaning of algebraic area? That means algebraic area can be positive or negative, both possible. Okay, if this term is not given algebraic, if only area is given, so we know area is always positive only, but here given is what? Algebraic area. That means if area is positive, so it will be positive. If area is negative, or it will be negative. When it will be positive, when it will be negative, that we will discuss here. Bounded by y equal to fx and x-axis, and between the vertical lines x equal to a and x equal to b. That is the integration meaning. So how to write this one? Integration a to b fx dx. Okay, so this will tell what? Area, algebraic area. Okay, how algebraic area? So if bounded area is above x-axis, okay, so this is our, suppose y equal to fx. Okay, and here two vertical lines are there, x equal to a is here and x equal to b. Okay, if bounded area is above x-axis and limits are taking from left to right, that means a will come lower limit and b will come upper limit. Okay, a will be what? Lower limit and b will be upper limit. Then this area will take as what? Integration of a to b fx dx. So this area is what? Suppose a1. So it will come what? a1, and this area will come positive. But here if I take integration b to a fx dx, okay, so here a bounded area is what? Above x-axis, but limit is what? From right to left, from right to left. Then this area is what? Positive, but it will come, integration will come what? Minus of a1 will come. So minus, why it is coming? Because we are taking limit from right to left. For positive area, what you will take? Bounded area is what? Above x-axis and limit is from left to right. So what will come here? a1 will come. Suppose if I have bounded area below x-axis, okay, suppose fx is here, this is what? X equal to a, and this is what? X equal to b, and this is suppose gx, this is gx. So this area is what? Suppose a2. So here integration a to b g of x dx. Okay, so you can see here bounded area is what? Below x-axis and limit is what? From left to right. Okay, so it is below x-axis, so what will come here? Minus of a2 will come. Minus of a2 will come. Here we can take modulus, because minus already we are putting here. So here also we are taking modulus, here also we are taking modulus. Correct? Minus is coming because it is below x-axis, and limit also you have to check. Limit is what? Left to right, then it is what? Minus of a2 will come. But if I change the limit here, if I change the limit for this one, integration of b to a, that means we are taking limit from right to left, and this gx dx. So what is the area will come? Because of limit we are taking from right to left, then one more minus will come, and this area will be what? Below x-axis, so one more minus will come. So here what will come? Minus of minus a2 will come. So this minus of minus what? Cancel. So what will come here? a2. Correct? So integration of b to a fx dx, what will come? Modulus of a2, positive will come. That means if I take integration a to b fx dx, so if I say a is less than b, okay, and fx is what? Above x-axis, that means bounded area is what? Above x-axis and limit is from left to right, then this one area will come, modulus of a1 will come. But if I change the limit, okay, if I take limit first right hand limit, right side, and then left side, if I come right side to left side, then what will come? Minus sign will come. And if it is below and you are taking limit from left to right, then what will come here? Minus of a2 will come. And if it is below and we are taking limit also, we are taking from right to left, then what will come? Again it will come, because this is negative area and we will multiply by minus, so it will come positive only. So like that we have to do. So this is the meaning of integration. Now if I discuss this one, okay, this is first example we are taking. So here what I have, 0 to 2, okay, y equal to 2x. So this area, what is this area will be there? So this area will be what? 1 by 2, base is what? 2, height is what? 4. So what will come here? 4. This area will come 4. Now here two things are there. If I do integration 0 to 2 fx dx, so fx will take 2x into dx. So this area will come what? You can see limit is what? From left to right, that means 0 to 2, okay, and you can see bounded area what? Above x-axis. So this one answer will come what? 4. This one answer will come 4. If you want, we can simplify. What will come here? Integration 0 to 2x dx. So 2 is outside. Integration of x is what? X square divided by 2. Limit is what? 0 to 2. So here 2 getting cancelled. If I put upper value, so what will come? 2 square minus 0. So what will come? 4. This will come. But if I change the limit, if I do integration 2 to 0 2x dx, correct? So bounded area is above x-axis, but limit we are taking from right to left, okay. So this one area will come out minus 4. If you want, we can do. So this will come out 2 x square divided by 2. Limit is what? 2 to 0. 2 getting cancelled. First you will put what? 0. So what will come here? 0 minus. Next you will put 2. So 2 square what will come? 4. So what is the answer? Minus 4. So you can see here we are getting negative and here we are getting positive. So it will change. Correct? Similarly, if I take below x-axis, okay. So if I check this area, okay, magnitude is what? 4 only. Magnitude is what? 4 only. Correct? Now you can check. Okay, base is what? 2 and height is what? 4. So area is what? 4. Now here also, if you do integration 0 to 2, okay, fx dx, fx is what? Minus 2x dx. Okay. So this area is what? Below x-axis. So negative will come. Okay. And you are taking from 0 to 2. Okay. So limit is also from left to right. So this area will come what? Minus 4. If you want, you can do. Minus is outside. Minus 2 is outside. So this will come x square by 2. Limit is what? 0 to 2. So 2 getting cancelled. So this will come minus 4 minus 0. So what will come here? Minus 4. But if I change limit here, okay, integration if I do 2 to 0, 2 to 0 minus 2x dx. So this integration will come what? Plus 4 will come, because area is what? Negative, but we are taking limit from right to left. So one more minus will come. So minus or minus will get cancelled. It will come positive. So here answer will come what? 4 will come. And if you want, you can check also. Minus 2 is outside. This will come x square by 2. Limit is what? 2 to 0. So 2 getting cancelled. What will come here? Minus 0 minus 4. So what will come here? 4. This is your answer. Okay. So this is your definite integration. So from this point we got first property of definite integration. So first property is integration of a to b fx dx. If suppose this value is what? Suppose a, then integration of b to a fx dx. We are changing the limit from b to a. Okay, so here we are going left to right and here you are right to left. Then this value will come out minus a. Okay, so from these 2 points we can say that integration of a to b fx dx is equal to what? Minus of integration of, we have to change the limit. What will come here? b to a fx dx. Okay, so from these 2 points we can say that integration of a to b fx dx is equal to what? Minus of b to a fx dx. Okay, so if we change the limit, then we'll get minus sign. So this is your first property of definite integration.